Go. Hello, my name's William.
Hi, my name's Alex.
And we are going to be showing you
a simple math problem and how to solve it.
Okay, so here's the question.
Mr. Parks needs to paint 80% of the total surface area of the figure shown. Each side has an area of 9 centimeters squared. Each centimeter squared costs $1.35 to paint. What is the cost of the painting 80% of this structure?
Okay, so here's our shape.
Here's the shape right here.
So there's our shape, and what we need to do is we need to go 10 plus 18 equals 28. Because if you see, there are, you can count them up if you want to, but that's a bad way. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you multiply that by 4 to get sum of the sides, which is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So that gives us this. But now we need to find how many sides there are on this. And by the way, each of those little cubes is one side. Okay, so now we need to go. There are 2 there at the bottom, those little stragglers. And what we need to do is there's 2, so we're going to go 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, so okay, so yeah, 2 times 4 equals 8. Sorry, I messed up. 2 times, and then 8 plus 2
equals 10.
There you go. Okay, so that gives us 10 plus 18, 28. But why minus 2, Alex?
Because we multiplied by 4. That's the entire shape, the 2 separate shapes. But there are two that are hidden right there. Those 2, they go together. So you have to subtract 2.
2 sides are not showing. You cannot see them virtually from the outside. But if you remove it,
if you remove those 2 areas,
can't really move them. But if you remove them, I just removed them in real life. If you remove them, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4 along this side and 2 going along the bottom. You can count 2 sides that would not be showing that now are. But we're not going to do that because the question asked the surface area, not volume. No, Alex is shaking his head saying, I am right.
I am not shaking I am shaking my head.
Okay, so that explains this. Minus 2 equals 26 showing sides. Now why do 26 times 9?
Because, said in the question, each side has an area of 9 centimeters squared.
9 centimeters squared, yes, which equals 234 centimeters squared. And why do 80% divided by 100?
Because, said in the question again, paint 80% of the total surface area.
Yeah. Okay. So 80% of the total surface area of the structure equals 0.8 times 234 because we have 234 centimeters squared showing equals 178.2%. Yes. Sorry about that. Okay. And now for our final reveal. 187.2 times
multiplied by $1.35
because that is how much 9 centimeters squared each cost to paint, and there are
26 sides that are showing.
26 sides, which is each 9 centimeters squared. Just for 1. So we did that math, and then it equals 187.2 times 1.35 for the price of each equals
$252.72 for 80% of the total surface area.
Yay!
Booyah!
Bye. See you next time. This is William again.
And this is Alex.
Nope. Sorry.
Bye.